1968, at the age of 18, I went to Parthi for the first time. Always in the life of every devotee, the first experiences that he will have with Bhagwan will be always cherished. I remember first of the 3 interviews. I had 3 interviews in a matter of 2 days. The first interview, I went alone inside along with group of people from my town, Sirsi. They had come. Swami said, all the gents devotees who have come from this particular town of Sirsi, please come in. And I also joined them. And the first experience I still remember, I was sitting next to Swami. Swami knows this youngster does not believe in miracles. He does not have anything about me. So he wanted to show me a spark of his divinity. Of course, I saw Swami creating a vibhuti. Then somebody from the group, apart from our group, there was one more group. They requested Swami to do the ears piercing of a child, few months old. And Swami said, okay, give the child. And Swami put the child in his lap. It was sleeping very soundly. And very mischievously Swami looked at me, said, look, they want that ears to be pierced for this child. I will create 2 rings. And he showed, I saw him waving his hand and creating 2 gold rings. And he asked me, I am going to put these rings in that ear, pierce it. What will happen? He asked me in Kannada. I said, what a question Swami is asking me. Naturally, the child will cry. I said, Swami, the child will cry because it is very painful. He said, really? I said, yes, Swami. And Swami took both the rings and pierced it in a matter of a second, and the baby did not even move or shake. Forget about crying, it did not even move. And this was the first miracle I saw Swami. And Swami looked at me and said, see, that was my first, I would say, interaction with Bhagavan. In my first interview, Swami said, I know all your problems. Those days, there was not a separate interview room, was not there. There was only the main room. Today, if you go to Parthi, there is an adjacent room where Swami would take smaller groups and talk. Swami would stand on a staircase, and there used to be a curtain, and Swami would either stand up and we stand down, or we stand up and Swami would stand down. That was the way how Swami would discuss personal matters, intimate matters with different devotees. And Swami took me there and said, I know all your problems. Because I had lost my father 2 years prior to that. Huge responsibility was there on me. 4 younger brothers and a sister. And Swami knew everything. I didn't have to tell anything. He said, don't worry, I will take care of you from now onwards. I just listened to Swami and came back. That was my first interview with Bhagavan. The second interview Swami called, along with my mother and other family members who had come with us. And 3 distinct things happened. The first point Swami asked me as soon as I entered my interview room, he said, where is your father? And I was totally taken aback because I had not expected that question. I just kept quiet. Swami went on repeating the same question, where is your father? He kept asking me. Somebody from the group wanted to answer. Swami said, stop. I know everything. And that day, he made a very, very significant statement in my life. He said, from today onwards, I will look after you as your own father. Which promise he kept up till end. He said, those of you, see, this is not only for me, for all of us, for each and every one of us who do not have their father, do not have their mothers, do not have their near ones. Swami said, I am everything for you. I am everything for each one of you. That faith we must firmly have. That Swami is always with us and He'll look after us.